The first 5 years of life have so much to do with how the next 80 would turn out. The Sindh government is cognizant of the fact that the emotional, social, and physical development of young children has a direct impact on their overall development and on the adult they will become as citizens. To maximize the future well-being of the society in general and Sindh province in particular, Education and Literacy Department Government of Sindh signifies that the need to invest in very young children through early childhood education is a response to one of the agendas of Sustainable Development Goal 4. To address the same, the Government of Sindh adopted the Early Childhood Care and Education Policy. The process of the first ever adopted ECCE policy was initiated in the year 2013, and after various consultative sessions with the stakeholders, the policy was endorsed by all the partners and on 11 October 2015 was approved by the Government of Sindh.
It is a complete document. It introduces you to the challenges and then tells you the solutions for those challenges.
इस स्टेज पे कुछ सेंटर्स हैं हमारे जो हमने फंक्शनलाइज किए हैं शहीद बेनज़ीराबाद में और एक दो और जगह हैं जहाँ पे हमने इस्टेब्लिश की हैं.
The National Education Policy 2009 states, improvements in quality of ECE shall be based on a concept of holistic development of the child that provides a stimulating, interactive environment including play rather than a focus on regimes that require rote learning and rigid achievement standards.
इसी पॉलिसी बेसिकली फोकस कर रही है कि जो चैलेंजेस जब जिस वक्त बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा होता है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम कि जी उसकी तालीम में क्या मसाइल हैं, पढ़ना किस तरीके से है, उसके अलावा जो चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि एक बच्चे की ज़रूरत होती है. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली गुज़िश्ता कुछ सालों में हमने देखा कि वो अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन का जो पूरा एक सब्जेक्ट था, पूरा एक टॉपिक था, वो कहीं दब कर रह गया.
The value of early childhood education has been recognized globally as a critical investment to help children engage early in development and transition from preschool to primary education. Therefore, a broad-based investment in early childhood education is a cornerstone of Sindh Education Sector Plan 2014-2018.
Under the Sindh Education Sector Plan, there's a focus on the quality education, and currently we have the Kachi classes in the public schools, and there's a dire need to transform those Kachi classes into a proper early childhood education classes. For that very purpose, the Sindh government has initiated and developed this education policy.
Free the child's potential, and you will transform him into the new world. The Early Childhood Education Policy is a platform for an expanded commitment of Government of Sindh to all modes of early childhood care and education within a life cycle approach to health, nutrition, safety and dignity. Through this, the efforts have been made to mainstream ECE into the provincial public education system.
यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये नहीं कि बच्चे आएँ बुक्स पढ़ें, बल्कि बच्चे की दिलचस्पी को देख के, जैसे साइंस लैब है, बच्चों की एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, पॉइंट्स हैं, बुक्स हैं, और कुछ ऐसी हमारे पास जो हमारे लो कास्ट मटेरियल से हमारी ऐसी चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं जिनसे बच्चे खुद अपने हाथ से बनवाते हैं.
इसी का जो मटेरियल है या उनका जो क्लास रूम डेकोरेट है वो उनको जो है ना अट्रैक्ट करता है, तो इस वजह से वो बच्चे स्कूल आने में अपना जो शौक है उसमें वो शौक बढ़ता है और वो रेगुलर स्कूल आते हैं.
For the formulation of early childhood policy framework, an ECE task force was formulated comprising of relevant ministries, departments, NGOs, early childhood specialists, practitioners, researchers, academicians, and development partners, in which 5 focus groups worked collectively to direct the policy to policy and advocacy, curriculum and textbooks, learning standards and assessments, teacher education and training, parents and community.
ECE policy is actually formulated with the coordination and very well contribution by all the development partners, the NGOs, in particular the task force members, Plan International, UNICEF and all other very distinguished members have played a very vital role.
Early childhood care and education refers to programs, services, and provisions to nurture, develop, and educate children from 0 to 8 years in the physical, cognitive, linguistic, social, and emotional domains. The policy will support the transition from Kachi towards primary school.
उहो ॿार जेसि हो EC में सिखी थो अचे ऐं जॾहिं 1 में थो अचे त उहो सुहिणे नमूने उनखे मिलाए बि वञे थो ऐं अखर खे दिमाग़ में रखे थो.
इसी ॿार जो इहो हूंदो आहे की त असां वटि जेके अचनि था हिते ॿार त हू उनजी जेका असां पंहिंजी जेको आहे सो स्किल्स जे कहिड़े क़िस्म जी या लैंग्वेज आहे या उनजी डेवलप थिए. जीअं ॿार खे ॻाल्हाइणु सेखारिजे थो त जीअं ॿार जो ॻाल्हाइणु हिते जेको आहे सो उनखे कॉन्फिडेंस पैदा थिए.
Children learn actively when they are given opportunity to handle material. The main area of development in early childhood education are language and literacy, numeracy, and life skills through learning corners.
Environment is very, very conducive for learning, very much, appealing for children and very encouraging for teachers to learn more and more.
Plan International has been playing a very active role in implementing early childhood education policy in public schools and raising awareness of ECE at regional level through conducting workshops for teachers.
We are thankful to the government of Sindh, which has looked at us this early child education program, believed in it, and is now on the verge of taking it to all the schools in Sindh.
Our provincial government is fully committed to the Sindh Vision 2030 to make educated, literate and enlightened Sindh.
2017 में एक्चुअली हम इस प्रोग्राम को स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, जिसके तहत हमने वैकेंसीज जो आइडेंटिफाई कर ली हैं और उसको हम रिक्रूट करके इस प्रोग्राम को आगे चलाएंगे.
Let us all pledge together that through a strong early childhood education system, we contribute to translate the Sindh Vision 2030 into action.
We hope that this launching ceremony is going to prove to be the first step to a long and successful journey.
Bye.